In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with Payoneer. By the end, you'll have Payoneer Checkout native cards added as a payment option inside your Shopify admin so customers can pay by card through Payoneer. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to your Shopify store with an account that has permission to manage payments. It also helps to have your Payoneer account details handy. Availability can vary by country and business type, so if you don't see the option later, it may be due to regional restrictions or account eligibility. Begin on your Shopify admin homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can see orders, products, and store insights. From here, look toward the lower left corner of the screen and open Settings. Settings is where Shopify keeps all of your store's configuration options, including checkout and payments. Taking this route ensures you connect Payoneer at the platform level so it applies across your entire storefront. Inside Settings, go to Payments. The Payments area controls which gateways your customers can use, how transactions are captured, and what shows at checkout. You'll see different sections for Shopify managed options and third-party providers. Next, select Choose a Provider. This opens Shopify's directory of supported third-party payment gateways. The list can be long, and it may display different providers depending on your store's location and currency settings. From the list, select Payoneer Checkout Native Cards. This is the official Payoneer integration designed for Shopify, and it enables card payments routed through your Payoneer account. If you have trouble finding it, use the search field at the top of the provider list. If it still doesn't appear, double check that your store's country, currency, and business category are supported by Payoneer for card processing. After selecting it, click Install. Shopify will begin adding the provider to your store. During this process, you may see an authorization or connection prompt from Payoneer so Shopify can securely link to your Payoneer account. Follow the on-screen instructions and keep your business information consistent with what's on file in Payoneer to prevent verification delays. If your browser blocks pop-ups, temporarily allow them so the connection window can open. Once installation completes, you'll see Payoneer listed under your active or available payment methods in the Payments section. That confirms the connection is in place and ready for your checkout. If you run into errors, try refreshing the Payments page. Confirm you're using an owner or full permission staff account, and verify that your Payoneer account supports card processing for your region. That's it. You've connected Shopify with Payoneer Checkout native cards, giving your customers a reliable way to pay while funds settle into your Payoneer account.